So today I got to test drive this 2022 Volkswagen Arteon. This is a SEL R-Line. This car fully loaded, got Apple CarPlay. It has wireless Apple CarPlay at that and Android Auto. Really sleek steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane shape assist, forward collision warning, cross traffic control, all the safety features. It had a digital dashboard. You can see with the maps built into it, all digital, analog. It had you can customize each screen, switch it between what you want to see. And overall, man, this car was like pretty clean. Has a panoramic sunroof. I'll pop that open, let y'all see it. Got the frameless windows on all four doors. There's a panoramic roof. It opens up to the top, so a lot more headroom on the inside of the car. Is the front. Daytime running lights, all LEDs. It has adaptive lighting, so it turns as the car turns corners. Lights turn. Came with some 19-inch rims. You got the mirror caps, have the turn signals built into it. For a passenger seat, all the adjustments just like the driver's side. That's always a plus for passenger princesses. Full leather interior, solid closing doors. It did take premium gas though, so you got to keep it up. 4Motion stands for all-wheel drive. Man, I like LED lights in the back too. Got a little spoiler on there. And then look at the sunroof again. What y'all think about this car, man? I like it. You got entry without the keyless entry. So you don't need the key to get into the door. The color was like a pearl white. You see it in the light there. Beautiful color. Beautiful car. You can see the LEDs right there in the front. I got the hazards on. I like the sport back. This is the biggest thing I like. I like the sport back. It's a hatchback. So it does not have automatic tailgate opener. But you push that Volkswagen sign in, that's how you open the trunk. Got struts. So look at all this space back here. Like, it's pretty much an SUV, but it's a car. But it's an SUV. I don't know. It's sporty. One thing it didn't come with is a full-size spare. The premium trim has that, but it did have a donut in there at least. Nice compact spare donut at least. But man, what y'all think about this 2022 Volkswagen Arteon? Again, this is the SEL R-Line, which is just about one trim lower than the top trim. Wanted to show y'all this real quick too. So you hit the unlock button and hold it. It'll vent. I didn't even just vent. It'll roll all four windows down. Lighting not that great. Roll all four windows down. And then say you don't want to leave the windows down and you put them back up. You put your finger on the lock button there. It roll back up. I don't know. I'm test driving this, but I might keep it.